Hey guys, I'm Shakha and welcome to B-Town Style Under 3, where we break down the latest looks of Bollywood celebrities. Today I'm talking about a look of Chitrangana, who was seen in a Gaurav Gupta sari. The sari and the palla with the pleats and everything was a nice liquidy color, which was really shining and beautiful. It was a deeper gold, not a yellower gold. And she paired it with an emerald green blouse. So the look was head to toe metallics. She styled it with jewelry from Misho Jewelers. She wore a very fresh face of makeup and wore her hair in glamorous curls. Now the trend that we pick up from over here is head to toe metallics, and as we're heading into the fall months, I think warmer colors and high shine looks are something that we are stepping towards and are the order of the season. So today I want to show you guys how you can wear head to toe metallics as well, the way Chitrangana did. So the first look that I have in mind is, if you don't want to look like a disco ball wearing head to toe shine and sequins, pick a pair of pants like these ones. What's interesting about these pants is that it has the lining of shorts over here and then it's sheer from the bottom. So it's also really sexy, and at the same time, it kind of, the sheerness balances the shine out. And what you could pair it with is a satin top like this one. This top, again, it does not have any shine or any tiny sequins on it as the pants do, but the fabric is satin, so that in itself gives this nice shine to it and a metallic sheen to it. So this could be one look that you could pair together with a pair of really nice high heels. The other way, obviously, to do head to toe metallic is to wear a maxi dress. This maxi dress over here has a off the shoulder neckline, so it shows a little bit of your skin to balance the shine out, and there's no worry of mixing and matching over here because it is head to toe shine and it has these nice tiny sprinkles of glitter on it. The last look that I have over here is honestly my favorite. Start with a nice pleated skirt. I think a metallic pleated skirt is something that a lot of Bollywood celebrities have worn, and it's time that you guys should stock it up in your wardrobe as well. So this skirt over here is a beautiful champagne tone, so it goes with anything and everything. And what you could style it with is a pop of color or something that's a bit of an unusual color. So what we have over here is this green rib knit, almost woolen-like fabric vest that has a nice sheen to it. It has a little bit of a sparkle on it, and of course this skirt is metallic, so you could pair these two together. Just tuck the top into the skirt, wear nice statement earrings, maybe a bold red lip, and a pair of nice heels. So these are some ways in which you can wear head to toe metallics this season, just the way Chitrangana did in her Gaurav Gupta sari. That's all we have from today. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. So recently, Radhika Apte was spotted in a candy stripe look, which included a striped blazer with a matching pair of striped shorts, a white bustier, and a layered dainty gold necklace by Flower Child by Shaheen Abbas. The outfit that she was wearing was by Nidhika Shekhar. Now, the trend that I want to talk about from her entire outfit is, of course, biker shorts and coordinate sets are a huge trend, but also candy stripes are something that are really big, and I think they look really vibrant. Now, stripes is something that is an evergreen, and it's a classic, and it gives you a slimming and taller illusion. So it's of course also flattering for everyone, but at the same time, with fashion experimenting with classics, it's a lot of fun this season because candy stripes are really trending, and also mixing up stripes are really trending. So let me show you some pieces and a few fun ways in which you can do it, starting with a nice top like this one. Now, as you can see, it's mostly in a jewel tone and it has black and green stripes, but it also has this candy pink color in between that's adding a pop of color and a little bit of contrast with the emerald green at the backdrop. What you could, I think, pair it with is a matching green pair of pants. So this is a different tone of green, so it almost looks like a coordinate set, but it's not, because this is more of a jewel tone. It goes with everything, and this of course is more of a brighter green. So these two would make for a great outfit. I'd say remove the belt of either one of these and keep the belt of only the pants or only this, or you could tie the belts together and make an interesting bow out of it. That'll make for a fun outfit for sure. The other way that you could do it is to mix up stripes in terms of color. So over here we have this beautiful, nice and breezy linen shirt that has a coral colored stripe on it, And what you could pair this with is a fun and flirty skirt like this one. What I'd suggest is to pair a white tank top or a white bustier similar to that of Radhika's on the inside. So it breaks the color scheme and it's color blocking plus stripe on stripe. Last but not the least, another big trend is tie and dye in terms of prints, and an amalgamation of both tie and dye and stripes is a breezy fun shirt like this one. This is very 2000 and I think a few pieces and fashion items from that era are coming back. So it's time to dig back into your closet. So yeah, this is a cool shirt to try. So these are some ways in which you can incorporate candy stripes into your look. That's all from today's episode. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Today we're talking about a look of Taapsee Pannu, who was seen wearing a pair of wide-leg checkered pants that she styled with a bright and vibrant floral printed top that had a necktie detail. So the entire outfit was very retro chic, and she further made it even more retro by the way that she styled it. She was seen wearing a pair of brown boots, and she also wore round sunglasses that looked super duper retro. She wore her hair in a sleek ponytail and finished the look with gold earrings and a fresh face of makeup. Now, whenever we wear something in a bolder print in our bottom wear, be it a check pant like Taapsee or a floral printed pant or a polka dot printed pant, we often tend to style it with something neutral. But Taapsee experimented and styled it with a floral print top and not a subtle floral print top. And that's because print clashing is a major trend for 2019, and I think the way she did it looked fabulous. So first, starting off with, if you're just a beginner who's starting to print clash, then the idea is to pair it with a neutral top but then layer it with something vibrant. So for example, if you're wearing a checkered pant like the one that Taapsee was wearing, what you could do is wear a white or black tank top or bodysuit on the inside and then layer it with a fun and vibrant kimono like this one. So it's not completely printed. There is a top on the inside to break the prints, but at the same time you are print clashing. Another fun way to do it is to pick something more structured in your bottom. So instead of going for pants, what you could do is pick a nice checkered mini skirt. This over here is a window pane check, so it's a wider check, and what you could pair it with is something more slouchy up top. So this over here has this really abstract floral print. You could tuck this top into this skirt and you'll have yourself a really cool outfit which is print clashing, but because the skirt's print is not so loud, you can manage to get away with wearing a print up top. Another print that you must try is animal print, and the most subtle way of doing animal print is to do it via a snakeskin print like this one over here. So you could just layer, again this one is not in a loud color as well, it's a nice salmon pink color. So this skirt or any checkered pant with a nice and slouchy and luxurious looking snakeskin print top like this one would work well. So taking inspiration from the way Taapsee dared to wear two prints together, I think we can mix and match and do it ourselves too. That's all from this episode. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
For more fashion tips, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.